Hey guys, in today's video I want to say a few words about omega-3 fatty acids. I don't want to bore you with too many facts, so just the basics. Omega-3 fatty acids, there are three types: ALA, EPA and DHA. The first one is mainly in plants and the second two ones are in fish oils. And how they affect our look. They affect our skin and our hair. So let's talk about the skin. They can prevent aging and stop wrinkles, as you can see the statement of the director of the Center of Dermatology. They also have natural sunscreen properties. They make the skin more smooth and more plump. Then regarding our hair, they can make the hair more shiny and less brittle, and they keep healthy scalp as well. So if you have itchy scalp, it can help with this as well. So the sources of omega-3 fatty acids are flax seeds, chia seeds and walnuts. That's sources of ALA, and marine oils. That's the sources of the second two ones. And also, if you don't have them enough in your foods, you can take supplements. And my personal experience with omega-3 fatty acids, I had quite dry skin around my eyes, or I experienced the skin drying as I was aging. I could feel that it was dry, and I remembered the facts about omega-3 fatty acids, that they help the skin with this. So I started to take supplements, and it was quite quick that the skin improved. So I can recommend, if you don't have enough omega-3 fatty acids in your foods, then you can take the supplements, but are really high quality ones. Not all of them are good. So that's all for today. If you want to know more information about what are omega-3 fatty acids good for, click on the link in the description box. My name is Lenka Sophie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!